Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can remove video background for free. Yes, that's right. I created a poll a few days earlier and based on the preferences, I am creating this video. Unscreen is 100% automatic and free. With Unscreen, you can record your footage anywhere, then simply get rid of the background. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. To get started, upload your clip. I am gonna upload mine. Once you click open, it'll start preparing the upload. Here you can see, the background of the video is completely removed. Wait for it to process completely. Once it's processed completely, click Change Background to choose the background of your choice. You can choose your own video or image background, or you can select from these stock images and videos. You can also select solid background colors. I like this one right here. And here you can see, the background is completely changed. Now to download your clip. Simply just click on Download, and your video will be saved. If you want to remove more background without any restrictions, you can check out their pricing plans. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.